What up guys? And okay, I know this is a little bit different than usual. This is the different than usual supercar deep dives, but hear me out. Today we are building something fast, aggressive, and a whole lot smaller than usual. We have here the Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 W15 in Lego form. This is actually my first time doing a Lego, and yeah, took me 2 hours, but I finished it and instantly I wished out bought another one. This might be my new weekend hobby, to be honest. This set is based on the 2024 W15 Formula 1 car. This is a Mercedes weapon for this season. It got carbon fiber chassis, new suspension geometry, and a redesigned floor to handle those downforce demands. I know we usually review $1 million cars with plush leather, but this thing is basically a spaceship with wheels. And honestly, I was surprised how satisfying Lego is. You start with that what looks like chaos, and slowly, piece by piece, something recognizable starts forming. Kind of like tuning a car from scratch, but you don't get oil on your hands. So the real W15 runs a 1.6 liter turbocharged V6 hybrid, packing over 1000 horsepower with the electric motor. It's really wild. Mercedes brought in a completely new aero package this year, and they ditched some of the design skew from the W14, especially around the side pods. In Lego though, no wind tunnel needed, just a good manual, a flat table, and some patience. And honestly, it's pretty cool to see how Lego captures those tiny designs, like pretty detailed, like the halo, the winglets, and even the slick Pirelli tires. You start realizing how iconic F1 car shapes really are. Somewhere around minute 90, I was like, wait, is this new addiction? Because I was already planning which one to build next. There's a Ferrari 488 GTE that I think is calling my name, but maybe that's for next weekend. I really appreciate how Lego mixes mechanical thinking with just fun, hands-on building, and if you're into cars, it's a nice way to relax and still feels on brand, you know? And yeah, this thing comes with little sponsor tickets, tiny rear diffusers, and even a DRS wing. DRS in Lego. And 2 hours later, here it is, the finished W15 Lego edition. No pit crew needed. Just coffee and a good lighting. This was a fun little side project, and I thought I would share it with you all. It's not a V12 Super Tourer or a twin turbo W12, but hey, it's still pure automotive passion. If you enjoyed this bonus video and want more Lego builds on the weekend or between the week style content, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I might just turn this into a little side series. Until then, I'll go to find the new box to build. See ya. Laters.